2 for you, 2 for me. 3 for you, 3 for me. Dirty Queenie like I need your mama big donut.
Yo, right now, I'm not say nothing much, no, but I want thing more I know. No. If I do we take up Queenie style or I so do we when stay with the whole tracing thing like a girl, you see me? I mean, don't want nobody say, yo, me I follow the people and story stuff, I just a work, you see me?
Welcome to Dirty Queenie and Dirty. Yeah, your mama dirty like blood clot. Me talk to me nice. You big donut, mama, when I teach you no manners. That you can't say big queen and I call them Dirty Queenie. Your mama dirty cause she don't have no manners. Chat to me nice. Welcome to the Queen.
Random, yes, Queenie.
Yeah, music where the music is life. Move on a dirty, ugly. Run the music for me. Work and a chicken a jerk. Yes, my husband sell the ring. Better I'm selling more than calling and borrow 3 bills. One life, my hand was a damn good session. Well done. Nice. Clean wave. So I'm crazy. Is that Cashrain? Not Cashrain that do it. Him that?
Yeah, man. One.
Cashrain, run the left, yo.
Yeah, my father. One bumbo clip, girl burn pen. Make the glass burn them. That's how they have
girl burn pen. A pretty girl, my love. A pretty girl.
Guys, can you look big up my parish though? Hanover, please.
And over your parish.
Where you say one place to big up on a way?
Hanover and Salt Spring.
Salt Spring, I don't know that I don't know where Mobby, you know the badness connect man. Hey, that is it, never tell a lie.
Top
Yard and abroad, you know the thing come down, cause you don't know UK big up on the damn self Tottenham. You don't know Edmonton, you don't know everywhere in London, you understand?
And I look out for the N it 1 and N it 2. You hear that? The embarrassment make me stronger. I think it give me fucking kicks. It turned me and I make me be more determined. So when I go and drop down and like that, you're not embarrassed how I build music and I look money. If you ain't call me fun, if money ain't in it, run the in it. Dance off a nice car, top girl in it. Ray me a drink with a chaser in it. Me a really hard girl, but me love say in it. Yeah, you're not call me phone if money ain't in it.
Yo.
Dance off a nice car, top girl in it.
You okay?
Ray me a drink with the chaser in it. Me a really hard girl, but me love say in it. That'll big up yourself. Around a year now, you want to do the end song, you know. Each time I'm cussing, I'm in English, fam, innit? Any dough, fam. Any blood. It's what I mean, though, fam.
You get me? Queen is on top of the world. She say, yo, settings. Wow, professional. You get me?
Now call me phone if money ain't in it.
Oh, go on now.
Well, we'll wrap up 2 songs for the day. 1 for the rain, 1 for the...
Who still vex them to decide of my wife? Wash it up themselves because them feel bad.
Ask them if none of them not find the ring yet.
Who I got hospital because me and my wife still together. All them boy, them see I run with things and I run with that.
And who embarrassed because me embarrassed and still not at the embarrassed.
It's true, me no mixing a folly thing. Me not come on the internet with no people name where in a my campus, see me? In a real life, so. Me not owe them nothing and them not owe me nothing. You hear that? Because them not have nothing for me on all them attack, them have this and have that, them have them black that, them have not me.
You trouble me and we... I want him breed. Breed out your dirty blood. Come on, buddy.
Can these work via me and can these work via her?
Anyway, right, Chris, I don't want to be rude to you. Okay? I don't want to be rude. I want to be nice. When I want to do if you stop bleach, I think I stop bleach soon, okay? Yeah, don't bleach. Don't bleach again.
The format of the garage song. You're meant to listen and film.
You can't hype a Tamil figure. Tamil figure cheap?
Hold on, huh?
Wait there. You think Tamil figure cheap? Google JD Sport. I'll look up for one Tamil figure jacket. You think Tamil figure? Shut the
You see, you will make my tummy be an issue to you. I can't tell you, say, you not have no toilet tissue in your house right now. That's why you have a problem with the tummy. W, eh? You're busy if it's real or fake, or England it boy, so it off your you hear that? That me I tell you, out of JD Sports, it did come out. Anything out there, sir. What? What the book come out of my... Hey.
I'm my phone, leave them. So you are upset about the time. Okay, tomorrow I get one bin black bag, cut out one shirt, cut out one pants, I make one skirt and one blouse. I don't know what's satisfying. I'm going to cuss over the red bottom.
Papi show like under your girl or your mama, man. I want this.
Jesus Christ. That clothes are not cuss about? Jesus Christ.
I don't like the bed where you lie down upon and you see a itch and a scratch, so you have your type.
Don't you like the cavity them when you have your teeth? Go to the dentist and make the dentist give you a 6-month clean and clean out the cavity of them dirty. Anyway, I'm not trouble them.
I don't have time for this. You know how much it take out of for right.
Come do it, kiss me up. Come, move on up on the wife. Come again. All who have yellow teeth and can't get kissed.
Cousin.
It's bad.
Mama? No.
Yeah. Anyway, we're crazy. Yeah, trace out another dropping boxes them have and kill out it out. I should have somebody where I know. They might have just dropped the pants at the ankle and say come like them man, they were out of the road and sending up on for go under. But me did it for my husband. Now call my phone if are you gonna be a good husband, Dewey?
Video shoot, bro.
Ready for video shoot? Alright, we're gonna organize that. Anyway, Royal Crazy. Anyone in England that wanna come in the video shoot, we're gonna video it at Tottenham Stadium. So I'll keep it. One more studio we are going all night. I work. Mama. Music! Practice becomes perfect. Write one until you can write in a joining up. Yeah.